Use of a and an. Hello little learners. Today we will learn a very fun topic. Use of a and an. They are small words but very important. Let's learn together. Using a. We use a before words that begin with consonant sounds, such as a cat, a ball, a dog, a mango, a book. Can you hear the first sounds? C, B, D, M. These are consonant sounds, so we use a. Can you say them with me? A cat, a ball. Great job. Using an. Now let us learn about an. We use an before words that begin with vowel sounds, such as an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Say them with me. An apple, an orange. Wonderful. Let us play a quick game. I say the word and you say a or an. Tiger, a tiger. Egg, an egg. Kite, a kite. Owl, an owl. Very good, children. Use a before consonant sounds. Use an before vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Awesome learning today. Now you know how to use a and an. Bye bye little friends. See you again soon. Thank you.